Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Nubia smartphone. Begin with accessing Clock app. Then you need to choose Alarm at the bottom left corner of it if it's not already on, and add your own alarm by choosing this plus icon. Then set top an hour. After that, you need to choose once, weekends or custom over here. I will go with custom, so now I can pick days of the week manually by tapping on the chosen ones, in my case Mondays and Fridays, and save them by choosing save at the bottom right corner. Then click on snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also disable snooze completely by tapping on this switcher, or enable it by clicking again. Then click on the back button and choose alarm tone. Now you can pick one of those melodies and tap on OK to set it up, or click on alarm tone and choose local music. Then pick music from your smartphone by clicking on it and tapping on OK. Now you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming alarm by clicking on this switcher next to vibrate when ringing. And lastly, tap on label. Now label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and click on OK. Then save your alarm by choosing checkmark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to disable it completely, click on the switcher next to it. Then tap on one of those options. You can enable it the same way. If you wish to, you can always edit it by clicking on it, making new changes and saving them by choosing the check mark at the top right corner. If you wish to get rid of your alarm though, you need to hold it, then choose delete option here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Now, in order to adjust even more alarm options, click on this gear icon at the top right corner next to alarm and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!